Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to give your Gravity forms a sleek new look using Bootstrap Design. It's super easy and you won't need to write a single line of code. But first, make sure you have both the Gravity Booster and Bootstrap for Gravity Forms plugin installed and activated. Go to Forms, Booster. Select the form you want to style with Bootstrap Design. Now head over to Bootstrap panel and click on Enable Bootstrap Design option. Instantly you will see your form's preview update with the new Bootstrap design. Finally, hit the Save button and voila! Your form with Bootstrap design is now live on your site. The Bootstrap add-on comes with a bunch of cool customization options. Here are some highlights. Theme color. This sets the color for the form field interactions, including border when you click inside any text or text area input, as well as the color for checkbox, radio inputs, and buttons. Add stripes to progress bar. This option adds stripes inside the progress bar, making it look sleek and modern. Animate stripes. This starts a continuous animation in the progress bar, adding a dynamic touch to a form. Colored border buttons. This option uses the theme color as the border of the button instead of background color, giving your buttons a stylish outline. After making your customizations, don't forget to save the changes to make them permanent. And that's it. You have now given your forms a fresh, modern look with Bootstrap Design. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Happy designing!